Welcome to Speak English Every Day, Part 16. Today, we focus on a very practical way to use the present perfect. We will talk about everything you have done or haven't done in your day so far. This lesson will help you talk about your schedule and routine like a native B1 speaker. We will use the powerful shadowing technique. Listen and repeat every sentence immediately to match my rhythm and pronunciation. Remember to repeat every sentence twice to build your fluency. Let's continue the B1 journey now. I have already drunk 2 cups of coffee this morning. I have already drunk 2 cups of coffee this morning. She has checked her email several times today. She has checked her email several times today. I have eaten a large breakfast since I woke up. I have eaten a large breakfast since I woke up. She has spoken to her mother on the phone today. She has spoken to her mother on the phone today. I have already been to the gym and worked out. I have already been to the gym and worked out. He has just arrived home from his morning run. He has just arrived home from his morning run. They have bought all the necessary ingredients. They have bought all the necessary ingredients. We have washed all the clothes this weekend. We have washed all the clothes this weekend. I have been in the meeting for 2 hours now. I have been in the meeting for 2 hours now. He has had 2 meetings since 9 o'clock. He has had 2 meetings since 9 o'clock. If you find this technique useful and want to speak English every day, please subscribe now and hit the like button. We have already had lunch together today. We have already had lunch together today. My car has broken down once this year. My car has broken down once this year. I have tried to call him 5 times. I have tried to call him 5 times. He has already finished all his homework. He has already finished all his homework. We have received some great news this week. We have received some great news this week. I have already listened to the latest podcast. I have already listened to the latest podcast. She has met with the manager this morning. She has met with the manager this morning. I have just decided to change my diet. I have just decided to change my diet. We have bought new furniture for the living room. We have bought new furniture for the living room. He has finished his coffee and left the cup. He has finished his coffee and left the cup. I have cleaned my entire apartment this weekend. I have cleaned my entire apartment this weekend. We have started a new project this month. We have started a new project this month. He has already read the newspaper online. He has already read the newspaper online. He has already fixed the broken shelf. He has already fixed the broken shelf. I have just remembered what I needed to buy. I have just remembered what I needed to buy. I haven't checked my social media yet this morning. I haven't checked my social media yet this morning. He hasn't finished his cup of tea yet. He hasn't finished his cup of tea yet. I haven't done the laundry yet this week. I haven't done the laundry yet this week. My friend hasn't returned my book yet. My friend hasn't returned my book yet. Have you finished your coffee yet? Have you finished your coffee yet? Has she done the grocery shopping this morning? Has she done the grocery shopping this morning? Have you cleaned the kitchen floor yet? Have you cleaned the kitchen floor yet? Has she called her boss about the problem? Has she called her boss about the problem? Have you already eaten dinner this evening? Have you already eaten dinner this evening? I haven't drunk any water since breakfast. I haven't drunk any water since breakfast. He has been busy with work for 3 hours. He has been busy with work for 3 hours. We haven't used the car since yesterday morning. We haven't used the car since yesterday morning. She has been waiting for the delivery for 30 minutes. She has been waiting for the delivery for 30 minutes. You just practice sentences focusing on the present perfect in your daily life. You now know how to talk about what you have and haven't done today. Remember, consistency is key. If you want to continue this journey and become a fluent B1 English speaker, hit the like button now. Leave a comment below telling me one thing you haven't done yet today. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 17. See you in the next episode.